Hello friends, today we are starting chapter 2 integers and decimals from standard 7. Exercise 2.1 first sum solves. Again first, 2 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. It's clear that both the fractions are not a like fraction, so we have to converting it into a like fraction. For that, 2 upon 1 is equal to 2 into 5 upon 1 into 5 will give you 10 upon 5. Now 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 10 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Now we can see that in this both the fraction 5 is there in the denominator. So the final answer is 10 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 5. So converting it into a mixed fraction is equal to one integer 2 upon 5. It's clear everyone? Very good. Now third of first. Here 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Now childrens, pay attention. In this both the fraction denominators are different, so we cannot add directly. For that, converting it into a like fraction. So 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 into 7 upon 5 into 7 is equal to 21 upon 35. And for the second fraction, 2 upon 7 is equal to 2 into 5 upon 7 into 5 is equal to 10 upon 35. Now the final solution, 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7 is equal to 21 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35 is equal to 21 plus 10 upon 35 is equal to 31 upon 35. It's clear everyone? Very good. Now fifth of first, 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 10. Here again, the denominators of each fraction are different, so we have to converting into like fraction. For that, 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 into 2 upon 5 into 2 is equal to 4 upon 10, and 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 into 5 upon 2 into 5 is equal to 15 upon 10. Now in all the three fractions, denominators are the same. Now 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 10 plus 4 upon 10 plus 15 upon 10 is equal to 7 plus 4 plus 15 upon 10 is equal to 26 upon 10. Now simplify this, we will get 13 upon 5. Now converting this into a mixed fraction, 2 integer 3 upon 5 is the final answer. It's clear everyone? Very good. Now sum number 7 of first from exercise 2.1. 8 integer 1 upon 2 minus 3 integer 5 upon 8. Now this is a mixed fraction, so we have to convert this into a simple fraction. So 8 integer 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 17 upon 2, and 3 integer 5 by 8 is equal to 8 into 3 plus 5 upon 8 is equal to 29 upon 8. It's clear everyone? Good. Now converting this fraction into a like fraction, so 17 upon 2 is equal to 17 into 4 upon 2 into 4 is equal to 68 upon 8. Now 8 integer 1 by 2 minus 3 integer 5 by 8 is equal to 17 upon 2 minus 29 upon 8 is equal to 68 upon 8 minus 29 upon 8 is equal to 39 upon 8. Now convert this fraction into a mixed fraction is equal to 4 integer 7 upon 8. It's clear everyone? Very good. Now try to solve sum number 2nd, 4th and 6th by yourself. Okay. All the best. Now second sums from exercise 2.1. Here we have to arrange 3 fractions in descending orders. Now what do you mean descending order? Means जो सबसे बड़ा वाला फ्रैक्शन है वो सबसे पहले आएगा, उसके बाद में उससे छोटा और सबसे लास्ट में सबसे छोटा आएगा. ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट वन 2/9, second one 2/3 and third one is 8/21. So 3 fractions is given. First of all, please note here in all the 3 fractions denominators are different. So at present we can't say which one is the greater and which one is the lowest. So first one we have to converting into a like fraction. So the first fraction is 2/9 is equal to 2 into 7 upon 9 into 7 is equal to 14/63. Now second fraction is 2/3 is equal to 2 into 21 upon 3 into 21 is equal to 42/63. And the third one is 8/21 is equal to 8 into 3 upon 21 into 3 is equal to 24/63. Now in the like fraction, please note the denominators of all the 3 fractions are equal, that is 63. Now look at the numerator. In the first one 14 is there, in second fraction 42 is there, and in third fraction 24 is there. Now we know that the 42 is greater than 24 greater than 14. Therefore 42/63 greater than 24/63 greater than 14/63 is equal to 2/3 greater than 8/21 greater than 2/9. It's clear everyone? It's very simple sum. Now try to solve the second one by yourself. Thank you.